Have you ever mentioned being a travel agent and you get that deer in the headlight look? Like, why would I use a travel agent? Today, I'm going to unpack exactly what a travel agent does on a daily basis. Whether you're working as a professional vacation planner or you aspire to be one, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Jennifer Wayland, and I help people go from feeling stuck in a rigid and fulfilling job environment to enjoying a flexible schedule with the ability to work remotely and pursue their passion for travel. A travel agent, often called a travel advisor or travel consultant, is a professional service provider who assists individuals or groups in planning and booking their travel arrangements. But what makes them so valuable? I believe that our primary role is to provide personalized advice and guidance, sharing our experience to help our guests make informed decisions about their travel plans. Don't get me wrong, individuals can prepare their own taxes and choose our own investments, but we pay others to do it. We can mow our own lawn or cook our own food, but we eat out. We can clean our own pool or our own home for that matter, but we hire a housekeeper. Why? Mainly, we don't have enough time and expertise. Perhaps we aren't confident in our ability to do the best job. Perhaps it just takes us too long, or we're afraid we may make a mistake. The responsibilities and tasks of a travel advisor depend on the needs and wishes of the guests. Planning a cruise in Alaska will look much different than a road trip through 3 countries in Europe, a destination wedding in the Caribbean, or a theme park vacation in Orlando. They all start with a conversation. The consumer and the advisor must have that initial consultation. Personally, I have a handful of questionnaires, checklists that I follow depending on the guest because I don't want to miss a thing. Who is traveling? What are their ages? What are their interests? Are you celebrating any special occasion? What inspired you to have this conversation with me? Are you worried about quality of accommodations? Are you worried about navigation and logistics? Are you concerned about security or have fear of missing out on something? What is your spending plan? Is it $3,000 to $5,000, $7,000 to $10,000, $15,000 to $20,000, and so on? Are you athletic, active, and adventurous? Are you seeking relaxation and wellness? Do you have any special needs, be it dietary, physical? We don't want to book an 85-year-old grandma and grandpa into a resort built into the side of a mountain with countless steps any more than we want to book that 2-year-old that's going to fall off the ledge. For families traveling with toddlers, a zero-depth entry pool would be great so mom and dad don't have to be in the pool the whole time. Or so grandma and grandpa can easily descend and ascend in and out of the pool on their own. Are you comfortable driving in a foreign country, or should I recommend the car and driver that I use every time I travel to that destination? Foreign cars are often manual transmission, the steering wheel's on the right side of the car, they drive on the left side of the road, and there's no AC. No one wants that surprise. For our cruise guests, we will talk about ways to minimize seasickness. What time do you prefer to dine? Do you prefer a smaller, more intimate, quieter resort or ship, or a larger, more active one? Our clients have no idea how many schedule changes we worked and saved them from the time they book until the time they travel. Oftentimes, I get the notice from the airline and there's now a misconnection or double connection because a computer rebooks your flight. If we don't, travel advisors handle the booking process for flights, hotels, cruises, and other travel-related services. We make creating a custom curated itinerary look easy when we lay it in their lap, but they have no idea how much thought went into this thing of beauty. We have to make sure that the sought-after activity that's the prime reason the guests are visiting a city is available on the dates that they'll be there. Otherwise, we have to start all over moving flights, hotels, transportation, and rail around to accommodate this activity that only operates on Mondays and Thursdays, for example. When you specialize, you know which activities sell out well in advance and which can be booked once the guest arrives at the destination. We have access to everything our guests do and that much more because many service providers only work B2B, business to business, with professional travel planners. We use various reservation systems, have nurtured relationships in the destination with service providers so we can count on them, and negotiate with suppliers to secure the best deals and rates for our clients. This has been a little more difficult since the shutdown because some businesses went out of business, but we always want to prevent our guests from wasting saving precious vacation time by not only making sure they know everything available to them in the destination, but ensuring they know which activities are unique to the area that you can only do there. Perhaps those that are also the most impactful to both the guest and the locals. This includes the best local places to dine as well. One question I like to ask guests is, where do you like to go eat on a date night? Or on a special occasion? What are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your spare time? Once we've created the ultimate vacation experience to suit the guests, we assist clients in obtaining the necessary travel documentation such as passport, visas, and travel insurance. We provide guidance on entry requirements, travel advisories, and any other relevant documentation needed for a smooth trip. Professional travel advisors provide problem resolution. In the event of any travel disruptions, such as flight cancellations, delays, or changes in plans, travel agents act as intermediaries between clients and travel service providers. They help resolve issues, rebook flights, rearrange accommodations, make alternative arrangements to minimize inconvenience, and facilitate the information necessary for an insurance claim. We're like an insurance plan to help reduce stress. Travel agents often pre-package tours or vacation packages that include flights, accommodations, activities, and sometimes additional services like guided tours or transfers that provide convenience and cost savings for our clients. You can't deny our industry knowledge. We stay updated with the latest travel trends, regulations, and industry developments. A valuable travel advisor attends travel seminars, conferences, and training programs to enhance their knowledge and provide up-to-date information to clients. Plus, we're your eyes and ears. If you have a trip in mind and are waiting for a good time to go, we keep a wish list of travelers, so when a terrific opportunity arises, you're the first to be alerted. Bottom line, travel agents share their knowledge and expertise about destinations, local customs, attractions, and activities. We provide recommendations on the best time to visit, popular tourist spots, local cuisine, cultural experiences, and other travel-related tips. And our guests are in complete control. They decide where they go, how long they stay, and how much they spend. We are that friend in the field so they don't have to sweat the decisions, and so that it doesn't become a part-time job. Look, there's no question with the rise of online travel booking platforms, some traditional travel agent services have become more accessible directly to consumers. However, many people still prefer the expertise and personalized assistance provided by travel specialists, especially for complex itineraries, group travel, or when seeking customized travel experiences. If you want even more resources to create a business and a life that you love, plus some personal insights from me that I only get to talk about in email, come on over to travellabprogram.com and discover my 10 steps to a happy client. Stay on your game and keep going for your dreams, because we all deserve to live our best life.